Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Valencia. We're at the Mercado de Ruzafa today in the Russafa neighborhood, a neighborhood that's gone through a lot of gentrification in the last 15 years, really been nicely renovated, but the market has maintained its kind of 50s, 60s charm. I'm not exactly sure what year it was built, but it's one of the bigger markets in the city of Valencia. Now, we all know about the Mercat Central. We've been there, it's beautiful. Cabanyal, we did that tour. The Mercat de Colón is a market that's been renovated into a very kind of fancy, more of a bar and restaurant type of market. No longer has the fruit, vegetable, and meat vendors that it used to have back in the day. We're going to have a video on that coming up soon. But yeah, we're here in Russafa, and this is the Mercat de Ruzafa, Mercado de Ruzafa, depending on which language they use the Valenciano here. On the building itself up there, it says Mercat de Ruzafa. And we're going to go inside and take a look around, see all the things that they have to offer today. It's just another one in our series of market tours around Spain, Valencia in particular now, but we've also done some up in other places like Santander and over in Saint-Jean-de-Luz in France in the Basque country. So check out all the market videos we have. Now let's go inside and take a look around.
Un bolillo.